All right, well, hey, Minivan Mark here again, and it is January 12, Friday afternoon. Just got home from work, and we're supposed to be just at the very beginning of a huge snowstorm here, so I'm gonna do some updates throughout the day, throughout the night, I guess. And yeah, as of right now, it's just starting. It's not that cold. It's like 31, which is actually gonna make it worse because we're gonna get a bunch of wet, sloppy snow, and then it's all gonna freeze solid because the temperature's supposed to really drop too. And it's also supposed to get windy, which it already is. I don't really hear it here. It's coming from behind me. It's coming from the east, which is a little bit different. You can see that pine tree up there, how that's moving around. And yeah, I wonder, it's supposed to get really windy, really nasty. So we'll keep an eye on it. Well, here we are at 5:39 p.m. Right about sunset, actually. Not that you see the sun. I think we've got about 1.5 inches, 2 inches so far. And yeah, we'll see what tomorrow morning brings. Well, it's Saturday morning, about 10:30, and I was out here. I came out here pretty early and shoveled for a while. We did get some snow. I'd say we got 5-6 inches. I shoveled around the edges. I wanted to have nice banks to keep us from driving off the driveway, because I think we might be stuck with this snow for a while. It's supposed to get really cold. Here's the vans being covered. That part there just slid off. I didn't do that. It was pretty warm when I woke up. It was like 30 when I woke up this morning, and now it's dropping. And it's supposed to get super cold. It's supposed to be like I think it's like 24 now, and it's supposed to be like in single digits tomorrow. Oh yeah, there's a mailman out there delivering mail. Good for him. Alright, I think I'll fire up the snow blowers now. Here's my fleet of snow blowers. I got two of the little 2-stroke ones. Craftsman, 3 horsepower, 20-inch. They'll be pretty worthless today. I had to get them out of the way anyways. Then I got my big dog snow blower, the 8 horsepower, which I bought brand new like 25 years ago, and it's been good. I did have gear 4 and 5 is no longer usable because it did hand grenade couple years ago, and that aluminum disc in there lost some chunks around the edges, which is where the higher gears go. So all right, let's get at it. Clears it off pretty good. You know, here's the real challenge down here. I live on a pretty busy street. I don't have any trouble getting the road plowed. Plows go by all the time on their way to other places. You end up with this mess down by the end of the driveway. So that'll be the challenge. All right, well, that was, I got about 2 hours into it, really, including what I did this morning before dark, before it was light. Yeah, there's a sign of one. Actually, I think we got more than that. That van looks like it has more on it. We got about 8 inches or so. And actually, the sun has actually just almost poked out. You see a little bit of blue sky. There must be a little bit of warmth left in the ground because this is actually melting off a little bit. And yeah, everybody's getting out, snow blowing, shoveling. I'll show you down here by the road where the real hard part is. It'll be a pretty big pile at the end here. I know I've had it in years before where my mailbox was actually in a snowbank, and maybe this year too. And really the actual snowstorm is kind of over. Now it's supposed to get a lot colder, and we're going to move into what they call lake effect, which if you are from Michigan, West Michigan, you know exactly what that is. That's when cold air moves over the warmer Lake Michigan, and you end up with, you know, an inch here, an inch there. You never know. You wake up in the morning, you get 3 new inches or something like that. So we'll see what happens, but I think that's it for now. Well, it is Sunday, January 15, and we got absolutely slammed with more snow overnight. And plus it's about 11 degrees out. So, yeah, the snowstorm that I thought might be over had lots more to go. Well, here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, there's the steps down. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. I think we got another, I don't know if we got another foot overnight. Could easily be. Although they said it's not really that windy right now. They said it was going to be windy. It's not really windy. Yeah, look at that blue van. It's got some serious snow on it. This van here I had cleared off except for the very top. So yeah, I'm gonna say like, I don't know, another 8 inches for sure. I had the trash container cleared off too because, yeah, so it's got a good 8-10 inches. I don't know if we got a foot or not. Pretty close. Look at that van there. It's pretty impressive. It's all like wedged out. Cool. All right, well, this is gonna be something, clearing this out. I'm gonna put my snowblower fleet to the test. Oh boy. Yeah, we're starting to get some pretty big banks on the side of the driveway. And yeah, getting narrow too. Get down by the end of the driveway. We're getting there. We're almost getting to having the mailbox completely covered, which doesn't happen. Yeah, it happened before, but it doesn't happen very often. Yeah, there's the mailbox there. All right. Okay, well, I want to finish up this video. It's actually been about a week since I last filmed anything, and it's been a long week. It's been just in typical Michigan fashion. We had lake effect snow, an inch here, an inch there, 2 inches here. I've had to brush off my van several times in the morning and after leaving work, and getting some pretty big piles around here. So like I said, it's actually, today is Saturday, January 20, and getting some pretty big piles down alongside the driveway. It's supposed to warm up a little bit this week into the 30s and even possibly rain, so I wonder how that's going to turn out. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll finish this one up. Bye.